Welcome to the zoology class. This is fifth lesson in zoology, molecular genetics. In this lesson, we are going to study about an experiment which is conducted by Hershey and Chase. This experiment is conducted to prove that DNA is the genetic material. In these experiments, they are using a virus which is named as bacteriophage. T2 bacteriophage. So this is the structure of the T2 bacteriophage. This is the virus. You know, virus, the outer coat is actually protein coat. It is made up of protein. The outer coat is protein and the inner material is DNA. It may be DNA or RNA. So this is the structure of the virus. The name of the virus is T2 bacteriophage. And another one organism that we are using in this experiment is a bacterium which is named as E. coli bacteria. These are the two organisms are required for the experiment. One is a virus, T2 bacteriophage virus, and the other one is E. coli bacteria. Okay. Now look at this diagram, how a virus is infecting the bacteria. This is the structure of the bacteria. On the surface of the bacterial cell wall, a virus is attached and it is infecting the bacteria. Once it is infecting the bacteria, what is actually entering into the bacterial cells? Whether the protein coat is entering into the bacterial cell or the DNA is entering the bacterial cells. So this is the aim of the experiment. So in their experiment, the Hershey-Chase experiment, they find what is actually entering the bacterial cell from the virus, whether the protein coat is entering or the DNA is entering. So this is experimentally proved in the coming experiment. Okay, now this diagram shows how a virus is entering into the bacteria. While it is entering, what is actually entered? The entire virus is entered or protein coat or DNA. So this diagram is showing that DNA only entering into the bacterial cells. Okay, DNA only entering, and after that the viruses are multiply in the bacterial cell wall, in the cell, and after that by destroying the cell wall, the bacterial cell wall is ruptured and the progeny, the young ones are released out. So this is the cycle. This is lytic cycle. Okay. This diagram is showing how a virus is entering the bacterial cells and how it is multiplying, and after that by destroying the cell wall, how it is released. Okay. Now coming to the experiment. So this is the experiment conducted by Hershey and Chase to prove that DNA is the genetic material. Okay, whether DNA is the genetic material or protein coat is the genetic material. DNA or protein coat. So for that purpose, they are labeling the two components. They are labeling DNA and also labeling protein. So now look at the first one. Here they are labeling the DNA. For labeling the DNA, they are using P32 isotopes. P32, it is an isotope of phosphorus. This phosphorus isotope will bind with DNA. Actually, why it is binding with the DNA? Because the component of the DNA, while you are seeing about the component of the DNA, it is the DNA is made of sugar molecule, nitrogenous bases, and also phosphates. Okay, so phosphate is one of the component of the DNA. Once these bacteriophage viruses are grown in this medium containing P32 isotope, these P32 isotopes will bind to the DNA. So as a result, the DNA will be labeled by these P32 isotopes. Like that, here the bacteriophages which are grown in the medium which is containing S35 isotope, S sulfur, it is the isotope of sulfur. So in this culture, this S35 isotope will label the protein. Okay, so S35 isotope will label the protein code and P32 isotopes will label the DNA. Okay, now these two are labeled. And then these bacteriophages are allowed to infect the bacteria. Once it is allowed to infect the bacteria, what is actually entering into the bacterial cells? If DNA is entering into the bacterial cells and the young ones will be rich amount of phosphate or phosphorus isotopes will be there. If protein coat is entering into the bacterial cells, then the young ones of the bacteriophages will be with sulfur isotopes. But what is actually happened? Okay, now in this experiment, first they are allowed to grow bacteriophages plus bacteria. How these bacteriophages infect the bacterial cell? First, these bacteriophages will attach the outer surface of the bacterial cells. After attaching, then only it will inject the DNA into the bacterial cells. Okay, so after injecting the DNA, these bacteria will be, by using this blender, it will be agitated. As a result, the head of the bacteriophages will be removed. The head will be removed from the bacterial cell surface. Only what will be there? The DNA only entering into the bacterial cells. Okay, here also like that, and here also the DNA is entering and not the protein code. And then, so this is the progeny phages. The offspring phages contain P32 labeled DNA. Okay, here also there is no S35 labeled proteins, because S35 is labeling only protein. Protein is not entering into the bacterial cell. Only DNA is entering into the bacterial cells. From this experiment, it is understood DNA is only entering into the bacterial cell. So how they are understood, how they are able to come to the conclusion that DNA only entering, because the DNA only bind with P32 isotopes. So these isotopes only found in the offsprings. Okay, so from this it is understood DNA only entering during this experiment to the bacterial cell, and this is the actually the genetic material. DNA is the genetic material. So this experiment is proving that DNA only the genetic material and not protein.